Hello there and welcome back. Today I have a very nice and aggressive game for you, and you are going to find the killing blow. You are going to learn more about the killing blow. And white players start the game with e4, black replied with e5, and now we have f4, the king's gambit. And this is a very interesting opening because white would like to open up the center immediately and create threats. Did you play the king's gambit recently? You can try that. And black replied with e takes f4, and now we have knight f3. The idea behind that move is to stop this queen h4 check, and now black continue very aggressively with the move g5. The idea is to play g4, attack that knight, and when the knight goes somewhere, then he can give this check on h4. And white played immediately h4, stopping that queen h4 move, also attacking the g5 pawn. Now we have g4, and white played knight to e5. Knight f6, and now white gained back the pawn, and by capturing that pawn on g4. Black continued with knight to e4, gaining another pawn, but white can create a very nice pin, a very annoying pin along in the e line. Now we have d5. This is not the best move, probably better was to move the queen on e7, this could be better for sure, but after d5 we have d3. And now black found a nice combination in order to continue the game, and he captured on g4. And the idea behind this move is to remove that queen from the e line, and after that he can move his pinned knight from e4. A nice combination. And now we have queen takes g4, knight g3, attacking the rook, rook h3, bishop d6, overprotecting that pawn and maybe the knight, and black have one pawn. But white can recapture that pawn immediately. Bishop takes f4, queen e7, king f2 this time. Now the knight is under attack here, and maybe he can capture that with the king, right? Maybe. But in any case, he just captured here on f4, queen takes f4. Now the knight is under attack for sure, so black captured on f1. And white continue with this very nice move, knight to c3. Can you find the idea behind that move? And the idea is to put the rook on e1, creating a strong ping in this e line. This is the idea, a very nice and cool move. Now black castled the king side, and now we have king takes f1. But this wasn't the best move. We have a better move here. Can you find the better move for white? And the better move was to capture d5 immediately, because the queen is under attack, and not only that, white would like to give this powerful check on f6, and white is winning here. For example, after queen c5 check, attacking the king and knight, we can capture on f1, and after that recapture, queen takes d5, we have the final killing blow. This is checkmate in some moves. Can you find the winning idea here? And the winning idea is rook g3, the king has to go in the corner, and after that we can deliver the checkmate. Of course, black can delay a little bit with that move queen g5, but this is not very important. Let's go back. Knight takes d5 was the best move, but it was difficult to find it. So white played this normal move, capturing on f1 with the king. It's a very nice move, and still white is winning, have a better position. Now the d5 is under attack, so black played c6, and now we have rook e1, queen d8, rook g3 check, king h8, and now white played this nice move, queen h6, very normal move, because white would like to create this checkmate idea with queen to g7, and the only move is rook g8. And now it's your position, it's the position for you. You can pause the video and try to think the winning continuation for white. White played a very nice move in order to win the game instantly. Can you find it? And the best move is rook e8. Whoa, what a move! He sacrificed the rook in an empty square, and the idea behind it is to pin this rook first of all. For example, let's say, I don't know, we cannot do much. For example, if he just move the knight, then we can deliver a checkmate on g7. This is one idea, because the rook on g8 is pinned. Of course, he can capture the rook, but if he captures the rook with the rook takes e8, then we can deliver the same checkmate, queen g7, checkmate. And the main motif here is that the queen will recapture here on e8, this is the main motif, and now we have the final checkmate with two moves. We can give this check on f6, this is a check, the only move is rook g7, and after that we can deliver the final checkmate with the queen. Queen takes g7, and this is a checkmate. I hope you enjoyed that video, please click the thumbs up button, and see you soon.